Neil Katyal, a question about Judge Barrett and not intending to put the cart before the horse. But if you're the justice that the president publicly says he wants seated on the court in case his reelection gets adjudicated by the court, isn't that, I don't have a law degree, you do, a textbook definition of a reason to take oneself out of that case?
It's really problematic, and it does raise appearance of propriety issues and all of those things. And I think here, and so many times today, the nominee, Judge Barrett, was caught by the president's own statements. So on the Affordable Care Act, as Senator Harris said, Trump promised to nominate justices who destroy it. And Trump, of course, for years has tried to destroy it legislatively. And he's now picked a nominee who published articles saying that she thought it was unconstitutional. And now Trump's in a rush to try and get her confirmed before the Supreme Court hears it on November 10th. And so, I think the presumption is, as lawyers would say, this nominee is a vote to get rid of the Affordable Care Act and its protection for pre-existing conditions. And she's boxed in by Trump's own statements, and her dancing today, I think, can't get around it. And the same thing is true about abortion. Trump said, just as you were saying about the election, he said with Roe versus Wade, he promised to nominate justices who would overrule Roe. And the nominee herself is on the record saying she's called for a, quote, end to the barbaric legacy of Roe versus Wade. So here it's not just a presumption, it's the record that she's going to overrule Roe. And in the end, I don't really understand why Trump and the Republicans are trying to run from that record. I mean, for years they've said they want to get rid of the ACA, they want to overturn Roe. And now all of a sudden, there's no forthrightness about this. And it just seems to me, look, I mean, she is a brilliant person. She's a lovely person. But a Supreme Court nomination is about more than that. It's about the future of the country. And there are two very different futures here. And I say, let the people decide, which is, of course, what Lindsey Graham said in 2016.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.